Yeah, good morning, everyone. So we saw some respite to the US market and saw some bounce back happening in the US European market, and even the Asian markets are also seeing some positiveness, but not very aggressive or strong comeback is being seen. Still, some problems are persisting. Like First Republic Bank in the US again tumbled yesterday sharply by around 47%. So that is again creating some fear in the market, and risk of situation is still continue. But what we are seeing that marketing seeing some resilience around 17,000 or 16,900, and we are seeing some positive buying happening at those levels. Uh, Apart from what is happening in the US because of this crisis, we are seeing the positive impact of all these also on the other side. That a lot of commodity prices are coming off. Oil has come off to almost $72, and yeah, along with that, various other commodities are also showing sign of decline. So that may support the inflations which Fed is targeting, and there is a meeting starting today and will be ending tomorrow, and Fed will be looking to raise the interest rate by around 0.25%. In between, there were probability of increasing interest rate by 0.5% increase, but because of this crisis, now the expectation is that tomorrow Fed may increase interest rate by around 0.25%. Quite possible commentary will be very important this time, how they are likely to go ahead from here. Mainly because now, because of the inflation driving commodity prices are also correcting, and also there is a fear and risk of situations in the market. So it will be very crucial to see how Fed is taking its view. Yesterday, ECB had said that the European banks are strong in capital, and there is no risk to the system post Credit Suisse being merged with the UBS. So overall seems maybe we may see some range bound trade in today's trade, and but things are offering bit opportunities at current market conditions. Uh, I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you. So, good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, the market is likely to open on a positive note, and we might see some sideways momentum or a positive move during a day. On the technical ground, we have witnessed a very strong pullback rally yesterday from 16,800 levels towards 16,007, above 900 marks, which gives some sort of a relief sign as of now. Uh, I believe this rally is likely to be extended towards 17,100 level. Any move above that level will witness some more positive momentum into the Nifty, which might take a Nifty towards 17,170 to 17,240 levels on the high side. Whereas on the downside, as of now, the immediate support is placed at 16,850. Below that level, we expect some sort of a profit booking, which might take a Nifty towards 16,730. The view will remain a cautious itself, but the pullback rally cannot be denied after such a sharp fall. Coming towards the bank nifty for today intraday purpose, the first resistance is placed at 39,800. Above that level, 40,000 can be tested on the higher side. On the flip side, 39,100 and 38,840 are the two support levels we need to keep eye on. Coming towards the Nifty Finance, 17,700, 17,800 are the resistance level we need to watch it. On the downside, 17,460, 17,330 are the two crucial support levels. Coming towards the stock specific, Coalpar really looks good on the technical front. Stock is well placed for 50 days moving average, maintain a positive closing about the same with a decent volume. So I believe it has a potential to reach up to 1550 to 1560 levels on the higher side. The resistance provided by its 200 TMA. So one can take a long position at the current market price since the risk reward ratio in our favor, maintain a stop loss of 1480 on a downside for a target of 1560. That's it from my end. I request Amit to take a call forward.
Thank you, madam. Good morning, everyone. So, on the derivatives data front, as you are witnessing from previous last 1 week, that around at 17,000 strike, there has been a heavy call rate and put rate positions getting added up on a monthly basis. If you look at the overall scenario from the OI front, also, we have seen that from previous two trading session, Nifty managed to come on the downside towards 16,850 level, but the put writer positions is not getting shifted on the lower end towards the 16,500 or 400 level. The monthly, the supportive level for the put writer position is stagnant at 17,000 strikes. So this is a positive trigger right now for the market. But once if Nifty breaks 16,800 level, then only new fresh shorts positions can be created on the index front. Currently, we are seeing that on the Y front, the positions is like it's currently the range bound situation right now in the market from 16,800 to 17,200 mark, where 17,200 we are seeing that yesterday also at 17,200 call writer positions are getting added up around those strikers. So we expect the Nifty need to get the breakout or breakdown of this range, then only the trend will get clearer. On the current scenario, we expect on the upper end the selling will come, because we are seeing that from previous two trading session, Nifty came around 16,815 level and managed to take the support of 16,800 level. So in coming 2 to 3 trading session, we expect a Nifty to come around 17,250 to 300 level. Once if it comes near those level, then we expect again the sell off will be witnessed in the market, because if we look at the overall scenario from the OI front of the call writer positions, the IVs is also getting added up near 17,400 and 500 strike. This means that once if Nifty comes near 17,400 and 500 strike, the hedge positions are getting converted for the again new short positions around those strikers. So once if Nifty comes on near 17,400 to 500 level, at that point of time, whomsoever is holding the long position, it will be a clear chance to again get the exit from the long positions and make the new short positions. As per the stock specific and sectoral specific, we expect selective stocks like BPCL, Godrej, CP, and Siemens. These three counter looks positive in today's trading session. So that's it from the derivative front. Thank you.
Good morning. PNC Infratech has received an order from Haryana Rail Infrastructure Development Corporation for design and construction of civil works. This order is worth rupees 770 crores. So this is positive for PNC Infra. Thank you.
Good morning. Mahindra and Mahindra acquired agro equipment maker Mitra Agro Equipments after buying out venture capital firm Omnivore's stake in the company to raise its shareholding from the existing 47.33% to 100%, making it a wholly owned subsidiary of Mahindra and Mahindra. The deal size was not disclosed. This is positive for the company. Thank you.
Yeah, the Philips Carbon Black, now the name is PCBL Limited, has commissioned one of their plant for carbon black of 63,000 metric ton out of the total expansion of 1,47,000 ton. The expansion was very big and was expected to create some overcapacity in the market. The production has started. Currently, the situations in the demand and supply situation is not so encouraging for carbon black. So, whatever the capacity which has started may not be able to generate very great return in the near term. As such, near term with the start of this facility, it's more of a neutral outlook. Then Sterling and Williamson Renewable Energy has got some good order. This is now owned by Reliance Industries. The order size is of around 2,100 crore, and that is in the Indian market of 1,200 megawatt solar PV project, which the company has got the order. So this will act as positive for Sterling and Williamson Renewable. That's all from us. And I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. So, the momentum in gold and silver should continue. Uh, we recommend to buy on dips. So, gold one can buy around 59 to 50 and maintain a stop loss of 59,000. We had seen yesterday prices witnessing profit taking from the highs of 60,455. So on 58, 800 to 850, there could be some profit booking. So we recommend to take profit around these levels. And for trading purpose, one can also sell, maintaining a stop loss of 60,100. Silver also momentum is positive, and we expect buying to continue. So buying around 68.50 is recommended, and one can maintain a stop loss below 66 900. Prices are expected to test 59 300 to 59 800 on higher levels. Uh, Crude witnessed some recovery from the lows, and we expect some pullback. So buying around 54.70 is recommended with a stop loss of 5400. On higher end, 50, 55, 50 to sorry 56 to 56.50. The prices are expected to test, and from where again there could be some profit taking. So cautious from higher level. In natural gas, we've seen prices breaching 195, and we expect some pullback, and again selling pressure should come in. So selling around 195, 197 is recommended with a stop loss of 2010, 210. And on lower end, we expect prices to test 180 to 178 levels. And for strictly for a trading purpose, if one needs to buy, then one can buy with a 175 stop loss. But however, selling is recommended from higher end. And in metal, we had seen copper recovering from the lows of 746 odd levels. So buying is recommended around the support area of 753, 752, and maintain a stop loss of 745. On higher end, it can test 760 to 62 levels. And zinc also, one can initiate a buy around 255 and maintain a stop loss of 252. On the higher end, we expect prices to test 260 to 62 levels. And aluminum also, one can buy around 203, 202.50 and maintain a stop loss of 201. On higher end, 205, 206 is the area where we expect profit taking to come in. That's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take over from here.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, everyone. In USD INR, one can create short position if we get any pullback around 82.72 levels or 82.77 levels with the SL of 82.91 for the target of 82.50 and 82.40. In Euro INR, if we get any levels for correction, if we get around 88.30 to 88.25 level, so one can create long positions with the SL of 87.97 for the target of 88.60 and 88.75 levels. In JPY INR, one can create short position if we get any pullback around 83.15 levels with the stop loss of 83.1441 levels for the target 62.75 and 62.60 levels. Thank you.